Welcome to Swansea University. Here at Swansea, we want to help every student to fulfil their academic potential. That's why we have the Centre for Academic Success, a service dedicated to providing expert academic support to every Swansea University student. Whether you're struggling with something, or you're looking to take your work to the next level, there's something for you. We offer a wide range of courses and workshops for every skill you could need to succeed at university. You can learn to write the perfect essay with our academic writing and analytical skills courses, find out how to impress an audience with our presentation skills courses, master the numerical side of your program with our maths workshops, and much, much more. Many of our courses are also HERE accredited, which means they'll appear on your transcript when you graduate, so you can impress prospective employers. When you want more bespoke support, you can book a 30-minute appointment with our academic success team up to once a week to discuss your work and seek advice. Or, if you're in a hurry, you can just show up at any of our drop-in sessions for academic writing or maths and statistics. For those students claiming the Disabled Student Allowance and have specialist study skills support recommended in their needs assessment, we also provide specialist tuition. Our specialist tutors will endeavour to find out your approach to learning, refine your existing skills, and help you to develop new strategies. Together, you will design an individual plan, including effective study skills and assistive technology, so that you can access the curriculum and express yourself in your coursework. And if you're a student whose first language isn't English, we also provide a range of English language courses to help you practice and develop your language skills in a friendly and relaxed environment. We know it's hard to be sure of what the future looks like at the moment, which is why we're ready to deliver all of our services online in the new academic year. And you can even learn on your own terms with our range of self-directed and e-learning courses. Whatever challenges academic life sends your way, the Centre for Academic Success is by your side.